This is not a desk. Well, until it is. So, this project stems from a need to create a workspace in our garage that can be easily stored away when the cars are parked in it. The area in front of my wife's car will eventually serve as long-term storage and a place for larger tools like the table saw, miter saw, and drill press. The wall next to my car will serve as sort of a base camp for when I move my car out of the garage. Whoops, a little bit more. For when I move my car out of the garage to work on a project. Then we can have movable tool carts to create a nice workflow. But for now, this project focuses on the wall-mounted unit. Now, there's nothing complicated about the construction of this unit. It's basically just a system of French cleats and peg holes, allowing for an interchangeable workstation. The desk assembly happens when the tall cabinets are removed and placed on the floor. Then there is a removable 3-foot by 4-foot panel with a French cleat at the top to allow it to hang on the wall and rest on the cabinets. Now, there are so many different types of shelves and cubbies that are useful using French cleats, but to keep things simple and compact, I'm using the spaces in the vertical cabinets to function as the French cleat storage. This way, they can be neatly packed away and contained within the rest of the unit. The intent of this unit is to expand and adapt to whatever I'm working on in that moment. This is sometimes a project that only takes an afternoon and needs minimal storage, or sometimes it's a project that spans a few weekends and uses it all. And along with the amount of storage I need, the types of things I need available changes with every task. This isn't meant to be a catch-all for tools or the ultimate workshop storage. It's a place to sketch up a late-night idea. It's a place to get some work done. Sometimes it's to work on the house, or a new piece of furniture. Or sometimes it's something much more important than any of that, like green and pink dragons. It feels like this project, although complete for now, will keep expanding with whatever I work on next. So, this is not a desk. It's more than that.